Hello and welcome to another Agents of Chaos tutorial. This time we're going to be covering a realm list modifier. Essentially what it does is allows you to play on multiple realm lists without realms without actually having to modify your realm list manually via Notepad or something similar. Anyway, if you came across this video, chances are you're on our Agents of Chaos website. Go to the download section. Once you're in the download section, you want to go to Extras, and inside Extras you will find a list of current downloads. Now there's one here for the WoW Realm List Modifier. Click that one. Okay, and here it is. Basically this is just telling you what it is and roughly where to put it. We don't need to worry about that because we're going to do this manually. Alright, so we save the file to a place that you can get to relatively easily. In my case, I've already done that on my desktop. Once you've got it, you don't need that anymore. Okay, so essentially you can open it and extract the files. Don't need that. Okay, so there it is, that one there. Once you've got the file, you need to put it inside your WoW folder under Program Files and World of Warcraft. In here, see, I've already done so. It has its own INI files, so you don't need, see down here, it's got its own INI file. It creates that after you launch it for the first time. So essentially, I'm going to delete that. It's all self-contained. Alright, once you've done that, you can create a shortcut to it on your desktop, as I've done here, and it'll open just like that. That's exactly what you'll see the moment you open it up. Once you've opened it, we need to configure it. So we go down here to the little circle. Don't need to click it, it'll automatically pop up. Go to Settings, Search, and WoW. There are other executable files in there like launcher.exe, but we avoid those because essentially they try to update your client with the latest Blizzard patches, which is not what you want if you want to get onto some of these older private servers. So open and obtain version, just to make sure you've got the right one for your server. In this case, 3.3.5. Save, and there we go. Now it's configured, ready for use with your machine. Now we've got to tell it which servers to connect to. So we click on the plus sign, and in my case I'm going to connect to Bloodcraft. And we need to give it a server address. blodcraft.no-ip.org. Add, and there it is. Now this one good thing about this modifier is you can actually have multiple servers. So if we add just a test server here, just garbage.com, there we go, test@test.com. Alright, now this is going to illustrate the differences. Here we've got Bloodcraft, a legitimate server, and this one is a server that is currently down, technically. See here? It actually checks to make sure that the server is online. In case of Bloodcraft, it is online, and it pings at roughly 297 milliseconds, which isn't bad considering. Test, however, actually comes up red. You see that? And the status is offline. That means that the server itself is not able to be connected to from your machine. I don't need that anymore. But essentially, all you do is once you've got your server set up in there, you just hit the play button, it automatically modifies your realm list and allows you to connect to that realm. Happy playing!